Into the Flames. Hangul. RR. Bulkkot Sogeuro is a 2014 South Korean television series. It aired on cable channel TV Chosun on Fridays and Saturdays at 23:00 for 20 episodes from April 25 to June 28, 2014. Synopsis. Based on the life of Park Tae-joon, founder and honorary chairman of multinational steel-making company POSCO. This is the story of the people who battled poverty and despair after the colonial era and the Korean War with a relentless pursuit of economic innovation, and the choices they made in the name of love, loyalty and sacrifice. Park worked tirelessly to build a mill that produced steel, which became pivotal to Korea's modernization. The early working title was Park's moniker Steel King. Hangul. Cast. Main characters: Choi Soo-jong as Park Tae-hyung, Kim Kwon as young Park Tae-hyung, Ru Jin as Shin Dae-cheol, Yoon Hong-bin as young Shin Dae-cheol, Sun Tae-young as Kumiko, Kim Yi-won as young Kumiko, Lee In-hai as Jang Ok-seon, Choi Cheol-ho as Choi Jong-ho, Dok-go Young-jae as the President, Young Ho-bin as Ellen Kissinger. Supporting characters: Yeonjul Bay Steel Mill, Hong Il-kwon as Hwang Jun Seok, Park Sang-mayan as Park Jong-yeol, Lee Ki-chan as An Sung-ju, Kim Jin-kyun as Kim Byung-hoon, Lee Won Seok as Yeon Bong-chul, Gong Jeng-hwan as Young Sang-ho, Lee Jong-soo as Kim Sang-cheol, Lee Jeng-yong as Choi Dal-ho, Choi Qhwan as Chae Ki-ju, Hong Ah-reum as Ha Sheo-soon, Shinsekai Trading Company, Lee Chul-min as Takeda, Kim Yeon-jun as Young Takeda, Go Myung-hwan as Abe, Kim Min-ho as Young Abe. Extended cast: Lee Young-hoo as Yasuoka, Jun Soo-kyung as Yang Hwa, Cho Young-seo Mrs. Seoul, Ian Seok as Tae-hyung's father, Kim Min-kyung as Tae-hyung's mother, Park Yong-soo as Ko-hae, Young Myung-hwan as Yamamoto. Into the Flames official website. Korean. Into the Flames at Han Cinema.